Hi, my name is George Gonzales. I'm the business director and director of sales for the East Coast for IDS Display.
And you're doing stuff with the Spectra 6?
We are doing stuff with the Spectra 6. I've got the demo right over here. And so we provide some fantastic value, not just the display, the e-paper display, but we also provide the frame. We have a board that we've designed that helps drive the electricals and allows you to manage the software along with the battery pack and backlight lighting, as well as our exploded demo over to the right kind of shows you and gives you a bit of understanding of who we are. Yep, there's the board.
And you got software going on also to send the content to it?
We do. It's right in our, you can manage it through a PC or like a tablet, and you can set it up to drive your images as you would like them.
It's like digital signage, right?
Very much so. Practical for any kind of marketing or medical or industrial type of signage application.
Nice. What is interactive display solutions? Is it always to do with interactions?
We do. So we take the panels and the touch panels, we do our own optical bonding in-house, and we add as much value as you would need us to add, either the embedded system behind it, any films or protective coverings, including the enclosures, plastic and metal housing, and as much support that you would need from us.
And this is also illustrates some of the stuff you do?
It sure does. It gives you a breakdown of what we can do from the cover lens to the single board computer from the very back. And it doesn't include the enclosures, but just an example of what we do and how we can be of help.
Maybe as a quick overview, like some of the other stuff that's going on here, the booth, many different displays.
Primarily displays for medical, industrial, and defense and aeronautic applications with touch panels, with PC boards behind them, touch panel displays, embedded systems, housings.
And some special implementations?
Very much so. As far as this is a touch sensor that we can demonstrate to kind of click and point. That's reflectance cancellation.
All the different coatings?
Very much so. Really depends on your application and your requirement.
And your customers can be all over the world?
All over the world. We're based in Irvine, California, but we can service any customer anywhere in the world.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.